Hi everyone, Rod Barnum here from the BORA product team. Mobility in the shop is a necessity and BORA tool delivers solutions. If your shop's like mine, you need a flexible workspace, and that means that items can be moved, stored, and set up easily. The PM1000 Universal Mobile Base Kit does just that. It has an adjustable rail system allowing you to adjust the size to suit your machine footprint so you can be on the move. Included in the kit are 4 corner brackets, 2 swivel wheels, 2 fixed wheels, and all the hardware you'll need to get started. The punch steel rail system allows you to expand or contract the base in 1-inch increments. This accommodates objects from 12 by 12 inches up to 32 by 32 inches square. A rectangle of 17 inches by 48 inches is also achievable with the standard setup. The low profile design of the base only raises the item 1 inch off the ground when stationary. Need a little more room? Additional rails are available in the BK 1218 kit that's sold separately. To activate your base, use the aluminum foot levers that are mounted to the swivel casters to raise and lower your machine. Need to find level on uneven ground? No problem. Simply adjust the leveling feet and you're ready to go. The proven BORA lifting mechanism does the heavy work for you and lets you support up to 400 pounds. That's perfect for bandsaws, jointers, drill presses, and everything in between. BORA tool is the leader in workshop mobility, and we build category-leading features into our entire mobile base line. Shop enthusiasts around the world trust BORA. We include metal foot levers, adjustable expandable rail systems, leveling feet, and quality casters for a smooth ride. Available online and in stores, the PM1000 is the perfect solution to increase mobility and flexibility in your shop. Go to boratool.com today to find